Hey guys, what's up? So today we're showing top best trade tweets for iOS 11, 12, 13, and 14. The first tweet is called Groups, a new way to experience messages. This tweet is called Checkra1n, and important if you're using Unc0ver 6 on iOS 14, make sure you are on version 6.0.1 or higher, else this tweet would not be working for you. So container management solution allows you to create multiple containers per application. So you can switch your accounts. You could switch basically between data sets. So you have like multiple accounts, for an app, easily switch between them. So pretty cool. This is called Checkra1n Lite. It's same thing as Checkra1n, just a light version of it. So if you want to try it for free, this is the tweak. You could try it for free. If you like it, then you could buy Checkra1n. This is called Summer, a package that includes more than 70 mods for iOS. This is called Volume Mixer, compiled with iOS 10.3 to 14, volume control for individual apps. This is called Text Time, supports iOS 12 to 14. From within preferences, you can set the alignment, set the style, change the font size, change the font weight, ultra light black, make the date text, make the date compact, hide the date, hide the lock, 5 formats and above, and enable vibrancy for the time and date. This is called Ventana and Unc0ver. So make use of your device's screen real estate with modern lock screen inspired by a desktop on Windows 10. This is called Scroll to Dismiss Keyboard. Auto dismiss keyboard during scroll system wide. This is called NFC Writer etc. So works for iOS 11, 12, 13, and 14. Scan, write, copy, format, emulate, serve. So you can scan your NFC tags, credit or debit cards, MRTD documents, passports, ID cards on your iPhone. This is called Photos Pro. Add many features to the application of Photos. So come out with iOS 10 to 14. This is called Summer Pro, package that includes more than 70 mods for iOS. This is called Watermelon, WatchOS inspired lock screen widgets for iOS 13. This is called Noctis Neo, dark mode your way. This is called libmishusha Forever, an advanced auto visualizer library. This is called Today's Shortcut, adds an app to the home screen to quickly launch the Today view. This is called App Library Shortcut, and so Apple Library Intuition iOS 14 was put in a bad location that you can access it from wherever you want on the home screen with App Library Shortcut. This is called Type Tab, and Type Tab is a tweak that improves Safari by allowing you to type text into the address bar in less tabs. This is called Dual Clock, 2 time zones on the lock screen. This is called Photo Dock, change your dot's background to a photo of your choice. This is called Settings Wallpaper, change your settings background on your wallpaper. This is called Folder Controller 14, awesome tweak. Ooh, where'd it go? Okay, well, it's blank. Okay. So this tweet's called Folder Controller XII. The original one did not want to load for me. It's an awesome folder tweak to making custom layouts, adjusting the capacity, size, corner radius, colors, other properties of photos, icons, and background views. This is called Emoji Attributes, various underhood fixes for emoji display. This is called Wooz It Pro. No clue who's calling. You don't know who it is. This tweak is the best caller identification solution for your iDevice. This is called Tooth Module Control Center. This is called Tooth Module Control Center. So this is Tooth Module. Quickly disconnect or connect from Bluetooth devices using your control center. This is called libgc Universal Library for tweet development. This is called APL Addict MK1 Script. APL Addict MK1 HTML HTML widget script dependency. This is called Disk Pro. Visually manage your device's storage. This is called Signet. Tweak for Signal Messenger with the following features. This is called Call Log Pro. I was 8 to 14. So it allows you to manage your calls history and delete calls records one by one. This is called Puck, your magical watch and spirit. So prevent the need of jailbreaking. This is called Safari Wallpaper, personalized Safari with a wallpaper. This is called iArrays localization attempt to support all our jailbroken tweets and apps. And I just want to show you Call Log Pro. This is called Etsy-NON. It's a tweet that makes it easier to access your iOS device's file system from your PC. So it is on sale for 99 cents. Get it while it's on sale. This is called Libellum and your face notes. So basically put your notes on like your lock screen so you can easily access the notes. This is called No Page Dots 14. Hide page dots in iOS 14. This is called No Dock Blur. Remove the dock background blur. This is called Perfect Grabber. Which is called add source, adds the copied URL to Cydia sources automatically, supports iOS 8 to 14. Also these features right here.